EVB300 Installation Steps. 1. Preparation. Prepare all components in advance from the package. Prepare EVB300. AC power outlet. Stable internet, Cat5 Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Computer, mobile device, and pre-download the ENView app. Hints. Select a cool, dry, indoor installation location to avoid the impact of humid and high-temperature environments on the device operation. Cut off all power supplies before operation to prevent electric shock. 2. Introduction to interface layout. From left to right, power connection port. 3-phase electrical interface, current sampling interface, Ethernet port, RS-485 port, USB port, antenna mounting hole. 3. Installation steps. Step 1. Install antenna. Take out the antenna and install it into the antenna mounting hole of the device to ensure it is firmly fixed. Step 2. Mounting bracket. Drill 2 holes 10 cm apart on the wall with a tool and insert 2 expansion screws into the holes. Align with the screw positions, slide and mount the EVB300 onto the screws to complete the device fixation. Step 3. Power connection. Option 1. Use the power cord, single-phase systems only. Insert the power cord into EVB300 and plug the other end into the socket. This option is applicable to single-phase systems only. Option 2. Connect to distribution box. 3-phase systems only. Use a hex wrench to open the cover, then connect EVB300 to the distribution box with electrical-grade cables. 4. Filter installation. Install the filtering magnetic ring with the EVB300. It creates a clean signal environment for EVT and EVB, filters grid interference effectively, and ensures more secure communication. Filter magnetic ring. Single-phase filter magnetic ring installation diagram. 3-phase filter magnetic ring installation diagram. Switch type filter. Single-phase switch type filter installation diagram. 3-phase switch type filter installation diagram. 5. Network configuration. Option 1. Wireless mode configuration. Wi-Fi configuration. To access our application, you can scan the QR code provided below or search for ENView on the Google Play Store or Apple Store for download. Turn on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services in your phone before you start. Open ENView and click Wi-Fi. Select Bluetooth. A. Select the same Wi-Fi name as the EVB-SN. B. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Return to the app. Enter Wi-Fi password. Please allow ENView to access your local network. If not, it will cause configuration failure. Make sure you keep staying on the current network. If the Bluetooth doesn't open successfully, you will receive the above reminders. Select ENView. Please turn on Bluetooth. Option 2. Wired LAN connection. Take a network cable. Insert one end into the network port at the bottom of the EVB300. Insert the other end of the network cable into the spare port of the router to complete the wired network connection. Within few minutes, 3 green lights on EVB300 will flash. For more information, please go to www.envertech.com. Additional training resources can be found online, including manuals and other support documents.